Anyone who has a data center, no matter how large or small, needs an IDCA audit. IDCA's audits are full scope, full encompassing, leveraging the standards framework. And whether it confirms the success of the operation or it highlights the gaps needed to get there, an audit from IDCA will ensure the operational excellence and the success from your data center facilities, your data center operation, and general business practices.
You do take a kind of whole stack view of things. You don't separate out what is the physical infrastructure stack, right, and what is the ICT stack. That you see where the bridge is between them and that you're tuned to the capacity requirements on the ICT side, and do you have the physical stack side to meet that requirement, right? Reliably, verifiably meet that requirement.
The reason you need to audit is because you need to know what are you taking control of, what are you in charge of, what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths. If you have strengths, they need to be validated, and you need to empower them even more and make sure you don't lose those strengths. If you have weaknesses, you have to solve those challenges and convert them into strengths. But being colorblind or having a blind spot in the digital ecosystem space is a recipe for disaster. Therefore, you need to understand and you need to have a transparent view of everything that you're in charge of.
IDCA certification means a seal of approval. It means that passed the rigorous testing, and now you're ready to put this in the real world. Now you know that all the systems, from cognitive plumbing and on this technology stack and data centers, everything will work jointly together, and you're not going to face problems as you scale the system.
Adoption of the Infinity paradigm is the path forward for the industry. We have to focus on the application, and that is a direction that is actually kind of a new concept. The way that we traditionally have designed data centers is that we build the shell, and then you shove the IT into the shell, and then you shove whatever applications you can into that IT. And it's really the reverse way of doing it is how we should have been doing it this whole time, where you have to design the IT around the application and then design the infrastructure around the IT. That's the most efficient way forward. And that is the premise of the Infinity paradigm, is that it takes the application first approach, where you have 7 different stack layers all interconnected with each other. And those layers of the stack are application, platform, compute, IT infrastructure, site facility infrastructure, site, and then topology. And then assessing 7 different efficacies amongst those layers is how you're going to be able to come up with a grade. And each layer is only as strong as the weakest one and the weakest grade. And those 7 efficacies are operations, innovation, safety and security, availability, efficiency, capacity, and resilience. And this holistic application first approach must go well beyond just mechanical and electrical redundancies, because we have to take this holistic approach that focuses on the application. This is the path forward for the industry. This is how we're going to have the highest levels of efficiency.